Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video. This here to show you guys I got the tweeters installed. You know, wasn't a hard job with the tweeters. Wasn't really a hard job with the door speakers neither though, but there y'all go. That's 1, 2, and that one could have went flush a little bit, but I don't know why I didn't want to go flush. There you go, the 4th one back here. Now, the thing about back here, I didn't line them up right though, but you know what I'm saying, they are lined up. And there go the other one. So we got four tweeters up in here. Now, what I'm gonna try to do is do like a distance test, just to see how it sound without the box. So we're gonna take the box off. So, matter of fact, let's go ahead and do that. Show you guys how I take my box off. It's not a real fast moving radio when it comes to doing settings and stuff, but let's go to speaker selection. Go to my woofers right there. You know, all right. And then there you go, none. So now my woofers is off right now. So as if you guys don't know who have a Kenwood radio like mine, that's how you cut the woofers off. You can actually cut every speaker off if you want to on there. That X-over feature that I got on that radio is a great feature, you know. So let's go ahead and check out some other stuff. Let's go ahead and check out something. And I might do a video next time for y'all, like the videos off the DVD for the hit of the week next time. Just for you guys can see, you know, see the video at the same time. But let's listen to this song, see how it sounds. The first demo without my box.
Know some niggas in the trap, know some niggas that be peeling it back. Big bands spread out on the dash, running man how I get to the cash. This photo's Gucci, no Lauren. She say I'm too fly, I be touring. Wrist looking like I poured it. Jeans harder, how I'm scoring. Know some niggas in the trap, know some niggas that be peeling it back. Big bands spread out on the dash, running man how I get to the cash. This photo's Gucci, no Lauren. She say I'm too fly, I be touring. Wrist looking like I poured it. Jeans harder, how I'm scoring. Running the two when I get to the bush. Eyes low, I be off for the cuz. Fingers on all I feel some looks. Pockets full, shit look like
That's where the amp is gonna come in at. But it's still kind of loud. Just walking away for about a minute, just trying to get a little bit far from it, taking a little angle. Good fire, you know. Don't worry about it. We ain't going too far from the black girl. And that's like, if I had an amp, it'd be much louder than that though. But that's where I see that I need an amp at, because I'm doing a distance test and I'm walking away from it. I mean, but it's clear. It's still clear. It still sounds good though. But that 4-channel amp will help it out a lot. Getting back close to it. Now we're gonna do another test. We're gonna do a test with the box on and walk away.
How I see green, spend so much time at Louis V movie life. This is another scene going on in the Know some niggas in the trap, know some niggas that be peeling it back. Big bands spread out on the dash, running man how I get to the cash. This photo's Gucci, no Lauren.
That wasn't bad though, you know, but I would like it to be a little bit louder than that. You know, I want you guys to input your feedback on that too, you know, but they still sound good though. They still wouldn't be a bad purchase. We talking about the PVRs. I mean, you don't expect the tweeters to get that loud like that from far like that. But let's go ahead and check out some stuff. We're gonna just add my speakers back on. Hold up, we're trying to get back to the song we was on. So we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna do a distance test on this too. Now the box is back on now.
Running man, how I get to the cash. Just follows Gucci, no Lauren. She said I'm too fly, be touring. Wrist looking like I poured it. James Harden, I'm scoring. In the trap, those niggas that be pulling the bag. Big beans spread out on the dash. Running man, how I get to the cash. Gucci, no Lauren. She said I'm too fly, be touring. Wrist looking like I poured it. James Harden, I'm scoring. Running two when I hit to the bush. I was slow off the clubs. People's on off the bus. Pockets full, she look like a rug. Way back, I was on the bus. Now I'm flash.
And this is how I would sound on a quiet street. Like, just imagine a lot of noise going on. You know, you won't better hit my car like that. See how far we is. Now you still can hear it good though. We probably about maybe about a quarter of a block away. Can't go any farther because I might hit the gate. But that's pretty good. That's pretty good. It sounds pretty good from all the way over here, and I can hear the words too very well.
How I see me, spend so much time at Louis V. Movie life, this just another scene going on in this new Know some niggas in the trap, know some niggas that be peeling the bag. Big bands spread out on the dash, running man, how I get to the cash. This follows Gucci, no Lauren. She said I'm too fly, be touring. Wrist looking like I poured it. James Harden, how I'm scoring. Know some niggas in the trap, know some niggas that be peeling the bag. Big bands spread out on the dash, running man, how I get to the cash. This follows Gucci, no Lauren. She said I'm too fly, be touring. Wrist looking like I poured it. James Harden, how I'm scoring.
All right, y'all. There it is. So we got two versions. We got one version without the box. We got one version with the box. And, you know, I just need you guys' feedback. Let me know what you think. You know what I'm saying? Let me know some improvements I can make. I'm good with all feedback. You know, I love it. So I hope you guys like the video. And if you do, hit the like button. If you're new, you should consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.